Okay, now you can see that I've got all of my slide timings here, so all the way down to the very end. And so what I need to do now is I need to go back and remove this part right here. And it's just a simple matter. You can, well, you can try to click in there, but there's an easier way than doing it this way where you click and, notice I'm having problems trying to get just at that bullet. So the easier way to do that is go over here to the outline and just click on the bullet and hit delete. And if you hit, oops, you don't want to do that. You don't want to hit delete again. The other way is just a backspace 3 times. So you click on the bullet, backspace 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Click on the bullet, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just click on it once, 1, 2, 3, and so forth. Let me just pause and finish this. Okay. So you can see now that we've got this where each of these is taken care of. The problem now is, here, let's just go to the slide thing here. The problem now is that all of our slides have pictures that are off center. The first one's not a big deal, but you can see all these other ones. It's kind of odd that they're like that. And so what we want to do now is we want to make everything look good. So what we're going to do is we're going to resize and move all the pictures. Easy way to do that is to just use your arrow keys. Another thing that you can do if you want to do a good job of centering them is click over here to View, and if you click on Guides, watch what happens. So you have these 2 guides right here, and this is the exact center right here of the slide, so that way you can kind of center your pictures with each one that you do. So just kind of drag the corner. Remember, never ever drag the sides, because if you drag the sides you're distorting the picture. So the other thing to notice is you can see right here, this is your recording. Each slide has their own. You can see them right here. You don't want to delete those. They will not show up when you're playing your slideshow, but don't delete it because you will just delete the recording for that particular slide. So if you have pictures like this, now I could take this picture here and put it like this, or what I could do is I could leave it on the side, make it a little bigger like this, and then maybe move this so that it's like this over here. Oops. There we go. Now we've got some interesting stuff going on here. Well, I don't know what that was about, but anyway, you can grab the text and move it over so that it's might not work too well. Maybe I'll make this guy a little bit smaller here. And you can delete text boxes by clicking on their borders. So, reasons for traveling. There we go. So you can do things like that if you want. You don't have to center them all necessarily, but just do something to make them look a little bit more pleasant to the eye, because of course you're not going to have your text there, so you want to fill the space somehow. And if you want to, you can you can make them full screen like we learned to do before by just going cut. At this point it's extra credit, so whatever you want to do with it, you can go cut and then go to the background. And then just click on picture, click on clipboard, and close it. And again, you don't need these boxes, these text boxes here. I don't know what's going on with this. Okay, whatever. Technical difficulties. So